So I've been doing lots of painting with realism, as you may have seen from my other videos, but I haven't really explored much with abstract art. When I started working on this abstract painting, I thought to myself I could knock this one out pretty quickly, but little did I know how much time I had to spend on putting together all the details of how the lines came together, the color blending, and the overall accuracy where everything looks neat and polished. That's the thing about abstract painting. You could go either way. Lots of abstract art does indeed take only a few minutes to paint, but some of it looks so meticulously done that it rivals other types of art. When it comes to creativity, the possibilities are endless. I've seen my fair share of abstract art, and the thing is, so many artists think that they're being unique or expressive if they throw a bunch of paint onto the canvas. However, so many of these paintings end up looking very similar. I just want to encourage you to go even deeper with it. What else can you add to your abstract painting? What shapes can you add? Do they blend into something else? What kind of realistic objects or people can you fit into it? I mean, the possibilities have no limit. I've seen countless landscapes, portraits, very good works of art, but making something that's both abstract, original, and has some elements of realism in it, now that's a combination that deserves some respect. So, with my painting and how I did it, I knew I wanted to paint something that has to do with music. So that was how this all got started, with this giant treble clef in the middle. I kind of went the traditional route of abstract painting at first, but then after a while I looked back and thought it appeared very noisy and kind of all over the place. There was no real theme to it. I spent quite some time then, going over some spots and refining them. I had to focus a lot on accuracy with the lines and edges on here, making sure I apply good craftsmanship here in addition to this style of painting. And here's something I realized about this whole process. Next time I do something like this, I'm using stencils or make some of my own customized ones, because that would rapidly speed up the process and save hours of time. I had times where I wanted to quit, but once my painting started to take shape and some parts of it looking cleaner, I was encouraged and decided to finish it. With abstract art, you have more flexibility with going back and modifying the painting. And so I might go back to this one and do some more cleaning up of some areas or add some new things to it. Overall, this area of art has so much versatility that I can't help but want to go back and explore other possibilities with it. Who knows, I might end up doing an entire series solely dedicated to the subject matter. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Also, if you have any requests for ideas to cover, let me know about that too. Thanks for watching.